Button is one of the interaction objects in ActivePresenter. For example, you can insert a button into a slide to redirect learners to the specific content when they click on it. Now, let's learn how to work with buttons in ActivePresenter 8. Click Button, then draw wherever you want on the canvas. Rename it. By default, the button has 4 built-in states with different appearance which control their look when learners interact with it. You can customize those built-in states or add more states if necessary. Now, open the Interactivity tab to add events, actions for the button. First of all, I add the Onrollover event for the button. And the button will be highlighted when learners hover the mouse over it. ActivePresenter allows you to add more than one event for one object. For example, I want a mouse click sound to play after clicking the play button, so I choose Play Audio Action for the on-click event. And select Mouse Click. Add the Go Forward action for this event to display the next slide which contains the words game. Let's see the preview. That's it.